Okay, everybody, we're here with box break number 3 of the community group break. I'm going to try to see if I can speed this up a little bit. The box I've chosen for this one, we've got the 2001, 2002 Adrenaline. This has potential for a Kovalchuk autograph in it. I don't think I have anything from this set. I don't really recall ever seeing anything, so this should be interesting. I've also changed the camera angle, so maybe this will lighten it up a little bit, since we've had some people say it's a little dark. You live and learn, right? Right. The more you do, the better you do it. Of course, you can see me in this video now, so. Alright. The advertisement on top. The private stock. Set this on here. Alright. Here we go. Not sure what exactly is in here, but we'll find out. We have Ron Tugnut Power Play. I'm assuming this is an insert card. Yeah, sure is. We have Rookie Report. Dan Blackburn. We got Roman Turek from the Flames. Mike Richter. Scotty Hartnell. I'll post Trevor Kidd Power Play. These must be one per pack. We've got Derek Morris, Flames. Luke Robitaille on the Wings. Patrick Lalime, Ottawa. Mark Rzazinski on Canadians. Let me fix this camera just a little bit. There we go. That should work. It's been impossible to get these under 15 minutes, so I've had to post them in 2 videos every time. I want to change this up. Marty Biron, Power Play. Jocelyn Thibault, the Hawks. Jeff Halpern, Capitals. Got Peter Nedved, the Rangers. Patrick Kjellberg on Nashville. Jose Theodore, Martin Jelinas, Mike Pekka, John Clare, Darby Hendrickson. Wow. Did I mention already that I'm going to try to have a card count post on the end of this post once it goes up? There's a Richter Power Play. Tony Amonte. Hawks. We got an insert. This is Creased Lightning. Patrick Waugh. It's kind of a cool card. Shane Doan. And Matthew Schneider on the Kings. Got a Johan Hedberg Power Play. We got a Mario Lemieux. Not sure what this is. Mario Lemieux. World Beaters. World Beaters. I'm sure they probably could have came up with a better name than that, but oh well. There's a Sergei Gonchar on the Capitals. Jan Hrdina from the Pens. And Viktor Kozlov from Florida. Mark Deneen, power play. We got Shane Willis, Carolina. We got Alexei Yashin on the Islanders. Hossa and Brian Savage. Cujo, power play. Alexei Zhirnov. Cloutier. Pavel Dimitra. Mike Greer from Edmonton. Tommy Salo. We've got a rookie. Nikita Alexeyev, rookie report. Brendan Morrison, Simone Gagne, and Lubomir Sikaris. No clue. Never heard of that guy in my life. Alright, wrappers are flying everywhere here. Moving right along. We have Mike Dunham, power play. Patrick Stefan, Atlanta. We have, this is a serial numbered rookie, Radek Martinek from the Islanders. You can see it's serial numbered on top there out of 984. Sean McEachern, ex-Penguin, on there. He's at Ottawa. Oleg Petrov, Canadian. We got Manny Fernandez, Peter Forsberg, Matt Zandine, Sean Burke, Brian Smolinski. I'm not sure who it was. I think it might have been Michael who mentioned I needed to blast this with light, but I don't really have any alternative light sources here. Fred Braithwaite, power play. Milan Hajduk, Gary Roberts, Keith Kachuk, and Steve Yzerman.